Hello everyone, I am Sheena Bansal. Today I will talk about knee pain in children. I will only discuss the points which are relevant to your AMC exam. So, in first decade, I mean 0 to 10 years, it is very uncommon. Suppurative infection and juvenile chronic arthritis should be considered. Presentation will be genu valgum or genu varum. Genu valgum seen around 4 to 6 years. It predisposes to abnormal biomechanical stresses which contribute to overuse type injuries. In second decade, it is common. It is due to patellofemoral syndrome, which is related to retropatellar and peripatellar regions. Knee pain will be anterior to knee. Late teen years age. In late teen years age, it occurs. In teenage girls, subluxation of patella may be seen. Maltracking of patellofemoral mechanism without complete dislocation of patella. See here in this pic, lateral subluxation of patella. On examination, patella is usually in a high and lateral position. Surgery may be required if symptoms persist. Prepubertal adolescent boys. In these boys, OSD is common. It can also occur in 10 to 16 years. Other conditions in this age group, I mean 10 to 12 years, which are the other conditions which can occur? Slipped upper femoral epiphysis. In SCFE, there is referred pain to the knee. Ancerinous bursitis may be the reason. Osteochondritis dissecans. So, age-related causes of painful knee in the first decade are, 0 to 10 years, infection, juvenile chronic arthritis. In second decade, means 10 to 20 years, there may be patellofemoral syndrome, subluxation or dislocation of patella. SCFE. In SCFE, there is referred pain, hamstrung knee, osteochondritis dissecans, osgood Schlatter disease, and Ancerinous tendinopathy. In third decade, means 20 to 30 years, there may be bursitis and mechanical disorders. In fourth and fifth decade, means 30 to 50 years, there may be cleavage tear of medial meniscus, radial tear of lateral meniscus. Sixth decade and older, means more than 50, the knee pain cause may be osteoarthritis, osteonecrosis, Paget disease of femur, tibia, patella, Ancerinous bursitis, chondrocalcinosis and gout, osteoarthritis of hip. In osteoarthritis of hip, there is referred pain to knee. See, children competing, running, jumping are prone to overuse injuries like patellofemoral pain syndrome, traumatic synovitis of knee joint, OSD. Hemarthrosis can occur with injuries, sometimes due to synovial tear without major joint disruption. If pain persists with effusion, X-rays should be done to exclude osteochondritis. See, now we will study OSD, Osgood Schlatter disorder. See how will be the X-ray appearance. See the tibial tubercle. It is a traction apophysitis resulting from repetitive traction stresses at the insertion of the patellar tendon into the tibial tubercle, which is vulnerable to repeated traction in early adolescence. Clinical features, it is common in 10 to 14 years. Boys-girls ratio is 3:1. Bilateral in 1/3 cases. Common in sports involving running, kicking and jumping. Localized pain in region of tibial tubercle during and after activity, aggravated by kneeling down and going up and down stairs. Development of lump in the area, you can see in the pic. Localized swelling and tenderness at affected tubercle. Pain reproduced by attempts to strengthen the flexed knee against resistance. See the X-ray. X-ray to confirm diagnosis, widening of apophysis and possible fragmentation of bone and exclude tumor or fracture. Treatment is conservative, self-limiting है 6 to 18 months, average 12 months. In acute cases, apply ice packs and analgesics, abstain from or modify active sports. Localized treatment like electrotherapy should be avoided. Corticosteroid injections should be avoided. Plaster cast immobilization avoid. Surgery may be used if an irritating ossicle persists after ossification. Gentle quadriceps stretching. Graded return to full activity. Prevention is early recognition and program of stretching exercises for quadriceps should be done. So these were important points for OSD. Now we will do osteochondritis dissecans. See, its juvenile form. This commonly occurs in adolescent boys aged 5 to 16 years, whereby a segment of articular cartilage of the femoral condyle undergoes necrosis. Mostly it is of femoral condyle, 85%, and may eventually separate to form an intra-articular loose body. Presentation will be pain, effusion and locking. If the fragment has separated, surgery to reattach it can be contemplated. Now I will show you its X-ray. In X-ray, you will see sclerosis of lateral aspect of medial condyle of femur. So what should we do? Its presentation is pain, effusion and locking. If the fragmentation has separated, then we can do surgery. Otherwise, we should do its conservative treatment. And now see, you can see the X-ray. See sclerosis of lateral aspect of medial condyle. And OSD, we should also do conservative treatment in case of OSD. Okay, thank you so much.